In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Crypto.com, a straightforward process that will help you expand your cryptocurrency portfolio with ease. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the world of digital currencies, this guide will walk you through each step necessary to make your purchase with confidence. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to the Crypto.com homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Crypto.com using your preferred search engine. Once you've arrived at the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, providing a seamless user experience for both beginners and advanced users. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the main menu. You'll notice a Buy button. Clicking here is your gateway to purchasing cryptocurrencies on the platform. This button is placed prominently to ensure easy access. After you click, you'll be taken to a new section dedicated to facilitating your purchase. Now comes a critical decision-making step in your journey, choosing which cryptocurrency to buy. Crypto.com offers a wide range of options catering to different investment strategies and interests. Do a bit of research if you haven't already, and select the cryptocurrency that aligns with your goals. The platform makes this selection process easier by giving clear information about each available option. Once you've made your choice, it's time to move ahead and finalize your decision. Press the Buy button associated with your selected cryptocurrency. This action will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to purchase. Take a moment to verify your entry, ensuring it aligns with your budgetary needs and investment plan. Crypto.com provides real-time pricing data so you know exactly what you're getting at the current market rate. After confirming the amount, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. You might need to sign into your account or create one if you haven't done so already. For new users, registration is quick and involves a few straightforward steps, from identity verification to setting up secure access credentials. To wrap up, once you've completed the purchase, it's always a good idea to review your transaction. Check your account balance and transaction history to ensure everything went through properly. If there are any discrepancies, reach out to Crypto.com's customer support for assistance. They're known for being responsive and are available to help with any issues you may encounter. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased crypto on Crypto.com. Keep in mind that the world of cryptocurrencies is vast and ever evolving, and staying informed about market trends will serve you well in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.